Alright, so we're going to come back to look at how we're going to populate the values into our combo box here. And we can set the size too. Now, let's see if I can find a stage. Stage should be able to set the size. When you look at this, you can look at the Java doc. And they should have set. We have set scene. Set width maybe. So we can set the width. Right. So let's see if we can do primary stage dot set width, right? To that. Alright, so and then we're going to combo box here. I want to set the options, and this option is going to be type as observable list, and this is string options, which is equals to FX collections dot. We have to look at the method again, and the method that we use is set array, right? Set FX collections. We look at set. We look at something array. Observer array list. Observer array list. And then we can start to put a type, which is right? Administration. So we go to the list of the type, administrator, faculty, right? Staff, student. Yes. Okay, so we populate the values into options as the observable list type and put into combo box. So let's see if this works. We're gonna rerun this. Need to recompile first. Make change. Okay, there's an errors here. So the error was at this point, right? Showing it was a period instead of comma. So it's typo. Now recompiling this. So calculate Java uses uncheck or unsave operation. So it's recompile with I wonder if it's already compiled. Save it did. Right? Just warning. And the size has been set with 200. May need to set it bigger. And we just populate the values, right? Okay, so now what happened afterward? Like we customize our own dialog here. So that's why we just have combo box. Next, once I select it, I need to be able to get the values back. Right, then we can upload the right message, hello admin, hello guest, hello student, and so on. Alright, so we have combo box already. Now we can make combo box. We want to take the values, right? So we can say set on action like event of the action. With this is called Lamda dash, right? And then greater than sign we call Lamda. Right. So let's see if I can do like when there's an action, it's going to return combo box dot get value and close parenthesis. Okay, so something like that. That's what we want to do. Now we're going to recompile this and see. Missing one more. This one lowercase because it's instance combo box. Right? Set on action 1, 2, 3. We're missing closing one more parenthesis here. So let's recompile this. Alright, so let's see if we run this. Spelling. So let's see. There you go. Alright, so if I put staff, just print staff, student. So right now, we're able to get the values, right? But we want to display hello faculty on the same windows here. You need to add a label. So we have to create a new label. So we have, I'm going to add a label right here. I'm after combo box. So after combo box, maybe right there. Okay. So we have label equals to new label. Greeting. This is just default text. You don't need to have it, but I want to put it, then I see it's showing. We need to import label javafx dot control scene dot control. Guys on the scene, right? Label. Now we need to put this in the scene. But if I put it in the scene, I already have combo box. I can't. Then I have to create a layout call or another pane, right? New pane. And I can just say pane.get children. So it's normally use get children and at. Okay. Get children which is the method and add. So if you want the label to go first, we add label first, and then do the same pane.get children dot add combo box later. And instead of add pane to the scene, add combo to the scene, we add pane to the scene. Alright, so I want to actually adjust this windows a little bit to be 300 pixels width. Now, instead of prompt to show, actually this is a place where we going to move it after the label. Because we can set the label.setText right here. The event is going to say label.setText, right, to be welcome, and concatenate with the value that is being selected, right, instead of print that out. Concatenating is not right. It has to be right here, right? Oh, I have to import pane, right? When you use pane, you need to import pane. Now we need to know the package for pane. Scene.layout is a layout, right? Scene.layout.pane. Alright, so account type. Seem like by default it's also stacked for the pane. So we may need to do, let's say, vertical pane layout. We need another layout because on the top of each other. It's like stacked. So that's why we don't see it. So what we can do, we can change it to different layout. So these are the layout we have pane. This is pretty much the default one. Stack pane, put the top on the top of each other as stacked, like that what we having issue with. FlowPane from left to right. Like if you keep adding, it's gonna add, left to right. And grid pane, you can control like a table location, right? Column, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. And border pane, like you can control top, right, center, left, bottom. Horizontal box, just like when you declare just H box like that, it's going to be like on the top like that, horizontal. And we have V box, vertical box. I think it's already show you right here. H box. This is V box. This is H box. Right. So we gonna use FlowPane. So it's gonna do like as a flow instead of stacking. And we gonna recompile. Because by default pane is like stack, it's on the top of each other. So we're going to use FlowPane instead. So you may see now we have greeting, which is label being added first. And then we add combo box. When we switch, it's going to say